Potatoes are one of the most versatile vegetables out there. They can be boiled, baked, mashed, or fried. Welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today, we're going to show you 5 amazing potato recipes that are easy and delicious. First up, crispy French fries. To make these, you'll need some potatoes, oil for frying, and salt to taste. Cut your potatoes into thin strips and soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes to remove excess starch. Heat up some oil in a pot, and once it's hot, add your potatoes in batches. Fry until they're golden brown and crispy. Then remove them from the oil and season with salt. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce. There you have it, the perfect homemade French fries. Next, we have potato chips. To make these, you'll need potatoes, oil for frying, and salt to taste. Slice your potatoes thinly. Soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and dry your potatoes thoroughly with a paper towel. Toss them in oil and salt, then place them on a baking tray. Bake for about 20 minutes or until they're crispy and golden brown. And there you go, enjoy your potato chips. Remember to serve hot or at room temperature. Now, let's move on to potato snacks. For this recipe, you'll need mashed potatoes, shredded cheese, bacon bits, and chives. Mix together your mashed potatoes with some shredded cheese and bacon bits. Form the mixture into small balls and place them on a baking tray. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes or until they're crispy on the outside. Top with chives and you have the perfect hot potato balls. Next, we have a potato salad. To make this, you'll need potatoes, mayonnaise, mustard, celery, onion, salt, and pepper. Boil your potatoes until they're fork tender, then let them cool. Cut them into small cubes and mix them together with some mayonnaise, mustard, celery, onion, salt, and pepper. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. There you have it, the quick and easy potato salad ready to be served. Next up, we have a delicious recipe for stuffed potatoes. To make these, start by baking your potatoes until they're fork tender. Then, slice off the top and scoop out the insides, leaving about 1/4 inch of flesh around the edges. In a separate bowl, mix together the potato filling with shredded cheese, crispy bacon, sour cream, and chopped chives. Season with a pinch of salt. Fill the potato skins with the mixture, mounting it slightly on top. Place the stuffed potatoes back in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and crispy. Garnish with additional chives and a dollop of sour cream, if desired. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these 5 potato recipes. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.